Hi guys.
Hi guys, so we're gonna open my helicopter controller.
So this is its box. See the box? It's a little bit crumpled, but it's okay. I think it's not damaged. So we see the box now. We're going to open it.
Oh,
Okay, you need to open it like this.
also will not fall.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Ooh, looks nice.
this can stand.
So there's a charger,
It can stand.
charger cable, and the actual helicopter, and a remote control. Show the remote control. There you go. It's a cute remote control.
What's
So
this
this
one?
one, we're going up and down, and the other one is on land.
Which one's on land?
Alright, so if you, I think this one, if you want to land it. So there's a battery for it. It's a 2 AAA battery.
1, 2,
2 AAA battery.
AAA.
Yes.
I know
Alright,
AAA battery. Everyone
Okay.
says AAA
that's
battery.
right. So you can charge it in here. The charger is charged right here, and you can turn it on right here. Alright, do you want to try it now?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll get some batteries, alright?
AAA.
Yes.
But is it a regular? Is it? That is the same helicopter.
Yeah, same color, right? Okay, so guys, we have,
Two ones.
so guys,
So guys, we have two
batteries, AAA batteries.
AAA batteries.
And we're going to put them
Oh,
down.
it's AAA.
That's right.
Ooh,
That's
like this.
Yeah,
This.
then push. Good job. And then the other one.
Like this.
Yeah. And push.
Mm.
So. And whoa. Let's let it up. Okay, now put the cover now. And alright. So we're ready to fly. We're ready to fly, guys. At the count of 3, guys. We're ready to
Ready.
fly.
Does this need a charger? Oh wait, I think it's on.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Wait, wait. How did you turn it on? Ah, this one, right?
Oh!
Ayo, ayo. May sira yan.
Ayos ang mala. Yung mala na. Yung... Pago na. Yung pago. Gia. Good na. Oh. Oh, let's go home na.
Ah, here.
Fix your clothes. No rin na, Miras.
Yeah, hold it and then we're gonna fly.
Go there. Gia. Go there na lang, dali. With the camera lang. Dali. Goodbye. Naman yung menang bag.
Yan ako ito.
Yung helicopter. Mira sa kanya. Wow. Nanya, naka rin niya.
Yan yung bubungan.
Ah, check yung bubungan. Ah, mintay yung bubungan. Oh dear. Mana niya yung aqua ito. Ayun po. Oh dear.
It's already on the roof. Kasi nung pag ganun maya kanyan, hangin na papunta ka rin mo tayo. Ito na yung mga tingkalan sinuna ako.
Not here, right
No,
there.
I'm not the one who made it. The wind, it blew it there.
Why is so much wind?
The wind's so strong because I think it's going to rain.
I know what.
Huh?
I go like
A few minutes later.
Kumuha po kami ng hagdan. Hagdan. Sa Balitaw-taw. Kenny na kanyan, Kenny ka banda na. Kaya katulid na. Kenny katulid na, ala. Try me. Ah, Gio, give the remote. Ay, pakakalala. Agyo mo? Saglit.
Parang bisa.
Kaya ko rin visa. Wala na yun. It's rain. Wala na eh.
Bisa.
Sira na yan siguro po ata may pupukyan.
Yeah, nakakarap